Prompt 29. Select a theme. Thematic writing raises the bar. It helps you write at a higher level to create a story that is bigger, bolder, more global, more universal, that speaks to readers on a deeper level. Themes can have anything to do with any aspect of life. I tend to write about finding community, about belonging, about figuring out where you fit in. Why? I was a late bloomer. I was that girl who had trouble finding her place in the world. Now, if you're not sure what your theme is, consider working with survival or courage or identity, good versus evil. These are all important, compelling themes that you can take in any direction that works for your story and will speak to other readers. So, what's your theme? Why? I can't wait to hear what you come up with. I read all the comments. What would be even better is if you make a video and upload it with the hashtag #BeatTheBotsBook. If that way I can help amplify your voice, share it with my growing writing community, so supportive. Don't forget to tag me too so I can do that. I look forward very much to hearing your thoughts. And if you came to this video any way other than the book Beat the Bots, I do hope you'll take a look at it. 12 creativity tactics that are science-based, researched, proven to help you harness the best in you, the empathy, understanding, discernment, judgment, your humanity. That's how you'll come up with fresh ideas, and that's how we'll beat the bots. I'd love it if you'd ask your librarian to get the book on the shelf too, and your independent bookseller. Thank you.